Waiting, say waiting for the tricycle.
Kaya ka ng tarong guys, sa tricycle. Hours pa lang guys.
So, tika, B, this is our town. Pero ito tricycle. Ano, B? Asa man? Ay, oh, tuyok pa siya ni tuyok.
Wait for like a second or 2 seconds because there's a traffic right now. Still waiting.
Asa naman to?
So, okay, so
It's turning.
okay, you guys.
Sakay, B, ikaw na.